Welcome back to a new art channel page tutorial on Wednesday. Today I have also a watercolor background. It's a Brusho background this time. And I will show you what I do with it. It already has some white splatters on it. And I will start by applying some gesso on the left and on the right side. I'm applying 2 layers of gesso because the brushes will bleed into the paint and I want to have it covered up very well. When this is dry, I go on top with acrylic paint. While this is drying, I am searching for some nice areas on my jelly prints because I want to cut 3 elephants for the page. To give my page some more contrast, I add some stamping. I decide to add some orange because I have also some orange paint on my elephants. I cut the letters for my title from black cardstock that was covered with double-sided tape. I ink up the edges of the elephants with black distress ink and I adhere them to the page. This is my finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye!